Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and we're on the 2024 28 Outrage. This is the light blue hull. You can see the outside of the hull. If you look at the underside of the T-top, that's what the outside color is. This has got the V10 400s on it. Great power package for this. And nice thing about this too is the decals on this kind of match the gray interior on the inside. So the light blue and the gray really ties this boat together. Really looks good. Of course, you've got the nice big seat in the back of this. Pretty classic for the Boston Whaler models. Super heavy duty hardware on here. High support up the back. It's a super comfortable seat. Easy to put back away. On the port side over here, we've got a boarding door, a tuna door, a dive door. Depends on who you talk to is what they'll call it. But again, look at the hardware on that thing. Those hinges look like they could be off a 70-foot Sportfish, not off a 28-foot center console. Nice big bait station here with a deep live well. Blue on the interior. All the corners are rounded off nicely, so it keeps your bait calm, keeps your bait alive. Little freshwater sink on this side. If you're standing behind the console here riding, you can see my hands ride just perfect on this grab bar here, so it makes for a comfortable ride standing up. Two helm seats here with flip down armrest, flip down bolsters, so if you like to stand up and drive, again, perfect comfortable seating here for you. Tilt steering wheel. This boat is already equipped with a Simrad electronics package on it, so you've got your multifunction display here. That's a 16-inch display, Simrad VHF radio, Simrad radar up top. So this is a turnkey as far as electronics go. You don't need to add anything to this. If you look at the back of the boat, I really like this about the Whaler 28 Outrage, is how high these bolsters are on the side. That's coming up to mid-thigh on me, so it gives you a lot of comfort when you're fighting a fish over the side of the boat. Electronics or glove box up top here. Throw your car keys, your hat, your wallet, that kind of stuff gets tucked away. This boat is equipped with joystick piloting on it. You want the boat to go sideways, put the joystick to the side. You want the boat to turn around and to twist, you just twist that. You don't need to touch the steering wheel. You don't need to touch the throttles or shifters. You can dock the boat just with the touch of this joystick right here. Let's take a look at the front of the boat too. And as we go forward, we get even a little bit deeper on the inside of the boat. Again, great handholds everywhere that I go in here, so I'm always going to feel secure no matter where I'm traveling. This is really nice. Some people call this a coffin box. It's a lounge seat is what it is. This isn't just a great fishing boat. This is a dual purpose boat. So you want to just go cruising around, you want to go out for dinner, go to the sandbar or whatever. It's a great boat for it. It's got lots of seating. So you've got that nice big lounge seat right there. Plus this seating up here in the front. Again, more handrails, drink holders, speakers, rod holders up here in the front. These rod holders up here in the front, they double. There's a bow shade that you put on this. It does come with this particular model. So you put a couple of poles in there, attach the shade to the top up there, and you can shade this whole front of the boat if you want as well. Huge anchor locker, windlass underneath there, polished stainless steel anchor, remote right here for that anchor windlass. Again, this boat is pretty turnkey. You don't need to add anything to it. This 28 Outrage is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you want to take it for a test ride, 904-625-6146.